Gentlemen, welcome to video numero uno by Mr. Kabanga from the Congo. All right, what are we learning today? Well, I'm excited to do a video, first video of 2021. All right, so we're going to be working on translation, okay? With translation, if you probably remember this from 8th grade, you wonder, what does it do? Well, translation slides the picture. That's why you have the S and L right here. It stands for slide. So it means that you would take every point on the graph, you will move it the same direction, the same distance. Okay. So what does that mean? Well, we're going to put that into practice right now. So we have points that are given to me. I have R, I have S, I have T, I have W, I have Z. Those are called pre-image. Pre-image. Pre-image, the pre stands for old. All right, so let's go ahead and plot these points on the graph. So R is -3, 4. So -3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Boom. There goes R. Next, S. S is 4, 4. 1, 4, 4. Boom. I should probably use different colors, right? Why not? Doo-dum. S. Voila. Next one is T. T is -2, -1, -2, -1. Boom. There goes T. All right. What's the next one? W. W is -6, -5, -6, -5. Boom. And that will be W. Z. Z is 4, -3. 4, -3. Boom. And that will be Z. All right. So what do they want me to do? So I have plotted my pre-image. Now look at the keyword that they're using here. They're saying, what is the image? Image. They didn't say the word pre-image, they say image. So your next vocabulary is this. Image represent the new. Again, image is the new points. Okay. So let's graph the image. They want me to come up with the image of R under the translation. If you remember, translation has SL, which stands for slide, right? And then they give you this rule right here. It says X plus 7 and Y minus 7. So we're going to slide R. But we're going to move it for the R. When it says X, it just means, I'm going to go back right here. I forgot to write. So for the X, if it goes to the left, that means we have to subtract the X. If it goes to the right, that means we got to add the X. For the Y, that means if it goes up, up means you got to be positive, right? Down means you got to be negative, right? So we're going to move it those direction, left, right, up, or down. Okay. So in this case, we will go right 7, down 7. All right, let's do this thing. Let's move R. Right 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, so that was right 7. Now what? Down 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hey, it falls in the Z position, which is fine. So you write it this way. You're going to write the new R, but you have to put a little dot, a little line above, which is called prime, but it shows that that's the new point, right? That's the image. So let's write it. So to answer the question, the new point, the R prime, is located at 4, -3. 4, -3. All right. All right, let's continue. Let's do the image of W, meaning the new point for W. All right, so W is this one right here. We got to move it, but which direction we're going to have to move it? We're doing translation, so we're sliding it to the right 10 and up 2. All right, let's move the sucker to the right 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, up to 1, 2. Haha, it falls again in the same point. That was not intentional, y'all, but it's just happening, which is okay. So I'm going to write the W prime to show that's the new one, right? So the new point, the W prime, is located at 4, comma, -3. Y'all, it just happened that it's falling at the same point, which is fine. No big deal. All right, next. Now, the next question says, using the coordinate notation, describe the translation, the slide, describe from S to T. From S to T. So what they want me to do is this, to describe it, you're going to describe it algebraically. So you're going to say, what letter was X? It don't matter. So from X, Y, we'll draw a little arrow. We want to know, describe it algebraically, what happened. All right, so I'm going to use, let's go with green. So S is right here. We're trying to get to T. It looks like S, to get to T, it went to the left, right? All right, so you're to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Left 6. So when you write it, it will be X minus 6 to show left 6. All right. Now, after left 6, it went down. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. And then it went down 5. All right. So Y minus 5. That's what it will show. That will be the rule if you go from S to T. All right, last one. The rule to go from, in other words, I'm using rule, but it's just kind of like you're just writing it or you're describing it, right? So it says using a coordinate notation to describe the translation from Z to S. So slide from Z to S. So let me go ahead and start with this with my little arrow. Whoop. All right, so cool. From Z to S. Okay, Z is located right here. Let me use a different color, perhaps. Which color I haven't used? Yellow. All right, so here we are. Z, I need to get to S. So for Z, I didn't go left, I didn't go right. So the X will stay the same. Some people will write X plus 0, you know, because it didn't go anywhere. You just that's just still the same thing, it's just X. But it did go up though. It went up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it went up 7. So Y plus 7. That's it.